Today we're going to learn about the silent E rule when a base word or root word has a suffix added to the end. Sometimes the base word must change when a suffix is added. The silent E rule is when a base word ends with a silent E and the suffix begins with a vowel, leave the E out. For example, the word like ends with a silent E, and the suffix ing starts with a vowel. We're going to leave the E out so that we spell the word liking, L-I-K-I-N-G. See? No silent E. We took it out. Look at the word tame. It ends in a silent E, and the suffix able starts with a vowel. That means I have to take out the E to make the word tameable. See? No silent E. Look at the base word or root word, wide. It ends in a silent E, and the suffix est starts with a vowel. That means we have to take out the E to make the word widest. So instead of there being two E's, we took one out and we just have one E in the word widest. Are you ready to practice taking out the E? Let's get started. Part A. Underline the silent E in each base word. So for number 1, you would underline the silent E. You would do the same thing for each word. Underline it to see if you can find it. Then you're going to add the suffix that's in the parentheses to make a new word. And be sure to apply the silent E rule. Let me do the first one for you. So on the line, I would write the word ride. I would take out the silent E and just add ing to make the word riding. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and change the word rate to the word rated. Store to the word storable. Fame to the word famous. Ripe to the word ripest. Joke to joker. State to stated. Tune to tuning. Don't forget to take out the silent E when you're writing each word. Okay, now it's going to get a little bit trickier. The first part was a little easy. In every word there was a silent E, and every suffix started with a vowel. But for part B, that's not the case. So you only take out the silent E if the suffix starts with a vowel. So here, this starts with a I, that's a vowel. I would take out the E in the word sliding. But in the word prideful, we have a silent E, but look here. The suffix does not start with a vowel. That's the letter F. That's a consonant. So do you need to take out the silent E, or do you leave it? What do you think? Were you right? Here in the word prideful, you would leave the E because the suffix does not start with a vowel. It starts with a consonant. It might be helpful to remember you don't want a vowel next to a vowel, but you can have a vowel next to a consonant when you add the suffix. Now it's your turn. See if you can remember the silent E rule for suffixes for each one of the words provided. I'll go through and read them with you. Take, taker. Smoke, less, smokeless. Placed, placed. Tradable, cuteness. Blameless, statement, icing. Go ahead and pause the video and do this part of your paper. Part C. Write 4 more silent E words that end with the ing suffix. You can't steal any words from your paper or copy any words from your paper. You have to think of your own words. They have to end in a silent E, and you have to add the ing to the end.